CDC President de Vanadera, metong king prioridad ng environment at sustainability. Pakiranduan tayo iti, king report ng Angel Dumagat.
King meganap a media forum akapihan at balitaan sa Pampanga, menya Jose Clark Development Corporation President Attorney Agnes de Vanadera, king pamamye prioridad king environment king libutad ning progreso ning Clark. Agpang kang Attorney de Vanadera, bistat man masanting na atin development, dapat mo rin din ang importansya in open spaces.
Take care of the environment so that the environment will take care of us. We have to balance it because in the end, if we don't take care of our environment, what we have generated in terms of income will be brought to nothing. Bahain ka dyan. O magkano yung gagamitin mo sa flood control, kulang pa yung kinita mo. So that's the kind of program that we have here.
Metong karing abang gita programa ng CDC ing Environmental Sustainability, metong karing abang gita programa ng CDC ing Environmental Sustainability, at metong karing nga iisip pa plano ing Clark Green Code na maglayon i-maximize ing renewable energy king Clark. Ako Angel Dumagat para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutu king Balen Susuyo.